That's it right there. What's going on, boss?
Hey, don't come close, man.
Hey, what's going on? Okay, hey, let me see your hands, big dog. Let me see your hands.
Hey, man. Hey, chill out, bro. Chill out. Nah, hey.
Get out here, let me see your hands.
Get out. Hey, stop, dude. Hey, fucking stop. Drop the fucking gun, dude. Drop the fucking gun. Drop the fucking gun, dude. Drop the fucking gun.
Get down.
Drop the fucking gun now.
Right now.
Drop it.
Drop the fucking gun. Dude.
Drop the gun. Drop the gun, dude. Drop the fucking gun, man. Drop the fucking gun.
One shot fired.
George 81.
George 81.
Go ahead, anyone.
A shot fired. Suspect went back into the building. There's a female inside with him.
Dispatch, shots fired, 752. Tell you to start to head this way. And I have the units in route code 1. The air still closed.
Jess, back up more.
722, eh? Hey, that might be it. Hey, what's going on, boss?
Hey, don't come close, man.
Hey, what's going on? Okay, hey, let me see your hands, big dog. Let me see your hands. Hey, hold the air real quick. Hey, get out here. Let me see your hands. Hey, drop the fucking gun. Drop it. Drop the fucking gun right now. Drop it.
Drop the fucking gun.
81, send me some units. Drop it right now. Drop the fucking gun. Drop the gun. Drop it. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. 81 shots fired. George 81.
Go ahead.
We got shots fired. Suspect went back into the building. There's a female inside with him.
Mi hijo estaba en el garage, señor.
Sí, yo entiendo, señora, pero...
Desde ayer él estaba diciendo que iban a llegar los marcianos y que él me iba a proteger. Por eso estaba sentado en el garage afuera.
Pues yo entiendo, señora, pero queremos saber que usted está bien.
If he doesn't have any weapons in the bathroom,
Estoy
he
bien.
can come down and open
Estoy
the
bien.
door.
Lo que tenemos
We can
miedo
go.
es de
So
que...
you just need her to come down, open
Okay,
the garage door.
si no quiere salir está bien, señora, pero de perdido puede venir para abajo para abrir la puerta y nosotros entramos y usted puede estar ahí cuando nosotros entremos también.
Oye, amigo, espérame tantito. ¿Quiere entrar la ambulancia?
He's still in the bathroom.
Yeah, that's him right there. Yeah, what's going on?
Alright, man. Are you guys? Who are you guys, man? I'm sorry about everything.
Tell him we just want to get him some
You guys
medical
are okay.
assistance.
Hey, so we got the ambulance out here right now, man, but they're not gonna go inside until we secure you. Okay, so we got the help here for you, but we just got to make sure that you're okay.
Can you be like a doctor and a cop, man? I don't have any guns, man. I swear to
tell him
Jesus,
we're
like,
not going to
I'm
hurt you.
Catholic, I'm fully Catholic, man. I believe in God, and I believe in a higher purpose, man.
Okay.
I hope you guys do too.
Okay, yeah, we do, man. Okay, but
Tell him we're not going to hurt him.
we're not gonna hurt you. Okay, what we want to do is we want to go inside. Okay, once we go inside, we want to make sure that your mom's okay, and then we want to make sure that you're okay, and then we're gonna bring you out, and then we're gonna make sure that EMS takes care of you. Okay.
But dude, even though I sound okay, man, deep inside my soul, I'm highly schizophrenic, psychotic, and paranoid, man.
We can get you help for that too, man. But I need.
Listen to me, buddy. I'm sorry to sound so demeaning or something, but my fixture, I've studied a lot of things, and this ability,
We don't know if
this curse, it gave me a lot of really see things and not analyze things and see things differently, man. And I'm also a musician. Musicians get to use all of their brain, man. That's beautiful. But fuck, what was I saying?
So you don't have any more firearms? Is that what you're telling me?
No, man. The cows scare me, man. I was only outside because I'm trying to protect my mother from aliens, man. And they're fucking me up, man.
Okay. Well, let me.
Sleeping in my yard.
Hey, Jesus.
Yeah.
Let me ask you this. During the exchange, are you hurt? Are you hurt right now, like physically?
Yeah, man. I've been shot like like 4 times, but it's side shots, man. I'm fine, but I am bleeding.
You bleeding?
Okay, are you bleeding right now?
Kind of not, man. I guess I'm God, man. I don't know what the fuck. I got shot in the butt, and like the butt is sticking out, dude.
Okay, so how many wounds do you got for sure that you know of?
I got 3. I got 4, man. 1 in my arm.
Okay.
That's not even bleeding. I guess it's goddamn.
So
I got 1 in my butt, but it's got a bullet in it.
tell him you need to get him medical assist. Tell him to get her mom to open the door so we can get
It's
him.
bleeding, but I'm fine, man. I'm fine. Like,
Okay, all right. Hey, Jesus. Hey, do me a favor. Tell your mom to come and open the door, man, so that way we can come and get you the help that you need.
But, brother, I am highly afraid of cows, man. I do not want to around my mother, man. Please, man. I know a lot of things. I know there are robots, man. And I know that it shows through time.
Tell him we're not going to hurt you.
Look, man. Nobody's gonna hurt your mom, and nobody's gonna hurt you. Okay, but in order for us to get you the help, we need to go inside.
You did not hurt my mother. I love you, dude. I love you for that.
Okay, then tell her to come and open the door, man, so we can help you.
But dude, who are you, man? What's your name, man?
My name's
I'm just
Felipe.
trying to get to know you, man.
No, my name's Felipe, man.
Tell him you guys.
Felipe.
Sergeant.
Yeah.
Here.
Felipe here with Bettis?
Nah, man.
Hey, tell him you also have 2
What
sergeants
race,
out here that's concerned about it.
Hey, I got 2 supervisors out here, man. I got 2 sergeants right now that are concerned about your well-being.
¿Puede bajar, por favor? ¿Puede bajar? ¿Puede bajar?
No, shit going on now.
81, we're going hands on.
Where's the mom?
Just tell HSD. 81, hey, HFD, move up.
Where's he shot at?
I'm grabbing him from you. Yeah. Thank you.
Who hit him? You or?
I think Flip.
Okay.
I didn't get the discharge.
Okay, so the union should be en route. You good?
Yeah, I'm straight.
Okay.
Hey, whose shops are right here? Where's HFD coming from? Oh, right there. Okay. Hey, over there.
You guys gonna fly? You guys can carry it down. Come on, guys.
If we carry you guys, we can do more.
81, we got him detained. He's being carried over to HFD right now.